This little program just makes a times table using a for loop in Python. So the first thing that we've got is a variable called table. So I'm getting the input from the user as an integer number. So I'm casting that as an integer data type. So when the user enters something into table takes the value of a number that they've put into there. So then we've got our for loop and our structure. Remember, for for loops, we've got the keyword for, then we've got a variable that in this case I'm calling counter. So for counter in the range of the start number 1, the end number 11, and remember it's going to count up to 1 less than that, and the step value going to step in ones. So then result, which is just a variable I'm using to take the result of each calculation, equals table times the counter. So star is always representing times, so table times the counter. So if I put table of 3 in there, count the first time through the loop counted will be 1, because that's the starting value there. What table 3 times 1 should be 3, and then I'm just printing out by concatenating together counter and the word times and the table and an equals. So when I run the program, it'll ask me for a times table. So if I go for 6, it's going to print out my 6 times table. If I go for 15, it will print out my 15 times table, etc. And so that's just a way of making a for loop into a times table program.